Hey everyone, welcome back to Graphic Hunters. Today, I'm going to show you how to design a unique R-letter mark logo from scratch. This tutorial is perfect if you're interested in creating professional grid-based logos with a clean and precise look. I'll guide you step by step through building a custom grid, aligning elements perfectly, and using simple tools to bring the logo together. Be sure to watch till the end for some expert tips on refining your design to make it stand out. Let's dive in and get started. First, take the line segment tool and draw a line. Give it a stroke color. Okay, that's good. Now, select the line, hold Alt to copy it, and keep pressing Ctrl D until you have a total of 11 lines. Next, select everything and copy it by pressing Ctrl C and Ctrl F. Now, rotate the copied lines 90 degrees like this. Again, copy the selected lines by pressing Ctrl C and Ctrl F. Go to Transform and rotate them 120 degrees. Okay, that's good. I've created this grid for the R-letter mark logo. To make it easier to design, select the 8th line and change it to red so the lines are easier to understand. Now take the ellipse tool and draw a circle between the 8th lines like this. Copy the circle by pressing Ctrl C and Ctrl F and make it slightly smaller. Keep repeating this step until you reach the end. Okay, that's good. Make sure your circles are perfectly placed on the lines. To check, go to Outline mode by pressing Ctrl Y. As you can see, the circles are perfectly aligned with the lines. Now go back to normal mode by pressing Ctrl Y again. Select everything. If you want all the lines to be the same color, you can easily adjust it from the stroke option. If everything is similar, it'll be easier to draw your logo on this grid. But since I forgot to change the colors, I'll face some challenges filling the gaps. Now, take the Shape Builder tool. Be sure to turn on Fill Color and turn off Stroke Color. Start drawing the R letter like this. As you can see, I've drawn the R letter on the grid. Now, it's time to fill in each and every gap carefully. If everything were black, it would be easier to fill the gaps. But with two colors, it's a bit trickier, though I can manage because I'm experienced with this. Okay, that's fine. I've filled in the logo perfectly. Now it's time to move the design away from the grid. Select the design and move it aside. Then delete the lines. Okay, that's good. Now select the design and turn off the stroke color. As you can see, friends, I've completed the R letter mark logo. Now I'll add some final touches to make it look more professional. This is the most important part of any design, presenting it professionally. So, be sure to watch until the end to learn how to take your design from a basic draft to a polished, professional look. Due to time constraints, I can't add a voiceover for the remaining steps, so please watch carefully. And there you have it. Our R Lettermark logo is complete. I hope you enjoyed following along and picked up some new techniques to make your logos stand out. Remember, taking the extra time to refine and present your design professionally can make all the difference. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to Graphic Hunters for more logo design tips and creative tutorials. Let me know in the comments what you'd like to see next. And as always, keep creating and pushing your design skills. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.